Good morning, class. So for today's activity, I have added a new activity in the content section. So all you need to do is go to the content section. You will see I have added the resource list for landlords and tenants. So you click on the folder, and then you will see a link to the resources. Click on that link. So when the file pop up, you will see I have collected 6 of the websites right here. Each of the website provide you information about the rights as well as the responsibility of landlord and tenants. I have given a short explanation beside each of the websites. So for the activity, what you need to do is use the resources as reference and write a letter to your landlord. Explain why you cannot pay this month's rent due to the outbreak of COVID-19, as well as your right and responsibility. In addition, in each of the websites, I already add some highlights to the important information that you need to pay attention to. For example, if you click on one website, you will see these yellow highlight. That's where I already put the highlight for you, and focus on the information in that area. So the letter will be about eviction, which is when the landlord wants you to move out because you cannot pay the rent for this month. So I want you to do a research about eviction through the 6 websites already provided, and that's it. Thank you.